Hi, my name is Florentina. I'm an accountant and zero migration expert, and I give Join 10 out of 10. We mainly work with multi-entities, so we see a lot of struggle when it comes to month end. What Join really does, it just eliminates the need of Excel spreadsheets where you have to copy the data from one sheet to another to get a group consolidation. So what it really does, it improves accuracy and brings efficiency because really what you want to do is spend less time on month end processes. Join really does that. I love how everything is centralized and it makes easier to just have all of the clients in one single place. You can securely share the information and the reporting, and you can share with them just whatever you want them to see. And it has lots of features like multi-entity reporting, forex management, adjustments, elimination, and even budgeting tools. Is really great when it comes to management accounts, and it brings a lot of efficiencies and saves time that actually, as an accountant and as a business owner, that's what you're looking at, saving time. The main feature I think it's missing is a forecasting tool. I think it would really round out the product and it would help with taking future decisions. But this is not a game changer. The consolidation feature is actually what makes a difference. I'd recommend giving a trial to use Join and see how it fits your workflow. It's very intuitive. You will be up and running in minutes, and you can use your own data. All you have to do is connect your financial system to it and start making use of those amazing features. I think what I love most, and it's really helping multi-entities, is actually using the feature where you can run age debtors and creditors for multiple companies in the same place. So really facilitates the credit control, and it's just the information is there in front of you. So definitely give it time to look at the features and test with your own data, which is very important.